International Nurses Day, celebrated every year on 12th of May to give a tribute to Florence Nightingale on her birthday for providing us the framework of modern nursing.
Florence Nightingale. To understand her, we must at first understand the meaning of the word nursing. The word nursing has its origin in the mother care of helpless infants and must have coexisted in earliest time. The word is derived from the Latin word nutrire, meaning to nourish.
To bring this word to life, Florence Nightingale worked very hard to change the world's view of a nurse. She succeeded to a great extent to improve health, change the way of giving care to a more factual method, and started to be known as founder of modern nursing.
So, the theme for International Nurses Day 2021 is A Voice to Lead a Vision for Future Healthcare. In 2021, WHO seeks to show how nursing will look into the future as well as how the profession will transform into the next stage of healthcare.
Amidst the COVID 19, the health workers all around the world have fought a brave battle forward this pandemic. So, keeping in mind, the World Health Organization states three fact sheet which has been gone through 100 days countdown case study.
Fact sheet number 1. COVID-19 infections and deaths among nurses and other healthcare workers as updated on 12 February 2021. 1.6 million healthcare workers have been infected by COVID-19, while 2,710 deaths of nurses has occurred.
Fact sheet number 2. Stress and burnout in the nursing profession. The International Council of Nurses (ICN) drew the world's attention to the evidence showing mental health issues and physiological impacts on nurses as a result of responding to the COVID-19 pandemic. ICN called this phenomena the mass traumatization of the global nursing workforce.
Fact sheet number 3. Nurse shortage and retention. The global nursing workforce is estimated at 27.8 million. The world was already facing 5.9 million of nurses shortage before the COVID-19 pandemic. ICN estimates up to 18 million nurses would be needed to fill this global shortage.
Let us esteem this most important part of the team effort needed to run a hospital and any medical team, as they do their best to provide the care needed for countless patients, often working crazy hours and making many sacrifices. So here together we can come to an end with a great and really appreciable greetings voice to all the nurses. You have been a great addition to the team. Wanted to let you know that you are very appreciated amongst us and that the work you do is really remarkable. Thank you for your incredible deposition. We, the student nurses, look up to you and take your example to carry on our professional life.